go around 3 times. You have to do What the fuck? Let's go!
Oh my god, I'm so funny.
We have to go around again. Come on.
No, that was it.
Oh man!
That's gonna be stupid now.
Oh! That was fun!
Oh my god, that was funny. Oh, how many times did we go around? 3? And then 4 times? Oh my god, that was so funny. I gotta go. I don't know what they were thinking so bad.
I know. Just go back and ask them.
The Wrinklers. The witch. The Wrinklers. The Wrinklers.
Oh man, this is fun.
Stop!
Oh man. Oh my god. Your driving is fucking scary.
And that's scary! Hi. What's your name? My brights are on. I'm only going 45.
You have a turn signal on.
To tell you honestly, I had no idea.
That's bad.
You're bad.
Okay.
Josh, you are bad.
What?
You're one who do not agree.
What? No. That's delayed. Delayed. I got a headache. I got a headache.
From laughing so freaking hard?
Yes.
I said freaking. Don't make it stop again. Why'd you yell like that? I mean, stop! You have Tourette's or something?
Oh man.
Hey! Oh, your car's hot! Anyways, yeah, so I was like driving and it's a hot car.
My nose itches.
I mean, wheel.
Oh man, I wish I recorded everything. That would have been fucking funny.
Oh, the whole entire thing?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Oh fuck, if I had known you were gonna do that, I would have been like, bam!
Remember the camera. Don't want to have it like trailing off out of nowhere.
Okay.
Turning.
Turning.
I have a cold, so it sounds weird.
Turning.
Turning the bunny.
We're going away from that.
Bunny. Bunny. I'm sorry. My throat hurts now. I want to eat my food. Let's
Why
go.
does the bunny smell like a chicken? Why does the bunny smell like a chicken?
The bunny